Let's take a look at that morning session. We got that first reversal, that second reversal, that power hour, all hanging off the open, right? Okay, we have no problems with that. Let's take a look at what that reversal looks like coming in. Notice over here, here's that first reversal. Notice the time periods. It's that second little reversal. Notice the time periods. Here's that first reversal. Notice the time periods. Here's another reversal. Notice the time periods. And what we're looking at, let's look at the common characteristics of these reversals. Yeah, they came in general about the same time period. Notice the intensity of this reversal as to this reversal here. It's more of just a mini reversal following a breakout there from the previous day. Look at the intensity of this reversal, that reversal. They're going to have various degrees of intensity, but the point is that, and this is these are live charts, that we pull these from live charts, is that we definitely did get those morning reversals coming in. They don't always come in, and they come in various degrees of intensity, and they get here when they get here. What I would like to direct your attention to, however, is this whole concept called momentum down here again. And you're going to begin to see that these reversal patterns come in and they start giving off confirming signals of that are largely in the momentum or in the order flow, the change in the order flow during that period of time. Here we're going from red. We go from red to green. From red to green. Here we go from green to red. Here we're going from some basic green to red. You have a little changing of the guard. That's called a changing of the guard when our momentum is beginning to change. Notice the intensity. Okay, the spiking. Notice the spiking. Notice a lot of the spiking that's coming in. A lot more intensity. Notice how volume mellows out after that morning session. Okay, are we together so far? Okay? Now, I'm showing this to you conceptually, so when we do get into the live trading, you're going to be able to recognize it. Now, does everybody understand that in the morning is that we're typically going to have reversal kinds of trades that we're going to be focusing on, and those reversal trades are going to be subject to confirmation that is going to consist of support, resistance from the previous day, or wherever we find that support or resistance. It could go back more than 1 or 2 days, obviously. We call that the soft left edge. More on that a little bit later. It's going to consist of finding support and resistance, of whether we're an inside day, an outside day, and our level and cessation or change in momentum. Okay, now I just said a mouthful. Do we understand this? Are we drilling in on this a little bit? Okay, when we get down into the live trading, you're going to discover that what we've done here is extremely valuable to you from the point of view that you're going to have a sufficient concept and an explanation where you should be able to expedite your learning curve. And that's what we're after. Okay, let's keep going. Here comes our second reversals. Here's that second reversal coming in. 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 Notice once again the wide range moves. Here we didn't really have, yeah, we did have that wide range move. We had a little wide range move there, not much of one there. Okay, we had a big wide range move there, beautiful wide range move there. As you can see, the first and the second reversals provide you some beautiful wide range moves. And anytime that you're getting those wide range moves, you're going to be getting nice profit potential. We're going to show you how to use your actual technical entries, and confirmation to ensure that you don't blow yourself up as you begin to learn how to do this. Okay? What do you think of this PowerPoint? Pretty good, huh? You like it? Okay. I'd like to acknowledge Josh on that. It took Josh hours to do that PowerPoint. Okay. It took Josh hours to do that. And then he had to change it. Thanks, Josh. Let's observe the open. You knew it was Josh. Dennis, you knew it was Josh. Huh? Hey. Josh has come a long ways. Thanks, Tim. Josh has come a long ways. Okay, he's come a long ways. Here we are observing the open. What are we observing for? What are we really, watching for? Okay, what are we doing? Well, we want to look for trends. Now, where do we find the trends? We find the trends in the daily, right? In the daily chart patterns. You got it, Tim. You got it. Looking good. We want to look for patterns. Where do we find the actual patterns that we're going to be trading? We also find that on the daily, don't we? Now we want to drop down into the intraday, into our intraday trading chart, and we're looking for price direction. And how do we find that price direction? We find that by looking for setups. And although we're going to find some fantastic trade setups out there, we have to be able to have trade setups that are based upon momentum, right? So when we observe the open, we're looking for trends, patterns, directions, setups, and momentum. Trends, patterns, directions, setups, and momentum. Trends, patterns, directions, setups, and momentum. That's what we're looking for. And we're going to begin to differentiate between a weak trend, we're going to be able to see whether an inside day, outside day. We're going to see how the market is trending, how it's moving. We're going to be able to spot in our daily chart patterns the appropriate long or short chart patterns to go with the actual trend on the day. We're going to be able to go into our intraday setup, and we're going to find those magnificent intraday setups that we can trade into the better chart patterns that are really based upon